Today I'm going to show you how to connect OpenClaw directly to your personal WhatsApp. By the end of this video, you'll be able to text your computer right from your phone, ask your AI agent to search the web or read your local files. Let's set this up so you can start delegating your tasks. First, open your computer terminal and type OpenClaw on board. This starts up the setup process. You will see a security warning letting you know that the AI will be able to read your local files. Hit yes to understand the risk and then choose Quick Start. Next, we need to connect the AI model that will process your text. I'm going to select Anthropic and paste in my API key directly from their website. Then I will choose Claude Sonnet as the default model. Now for the connection. It will ask you to select a channel. Scroll down and pick WhatsApp and hit yes. A QR code will appear right there in your terminal. Open WhatsApp on your phone, then go to linked devices and scan this code exactly the same way you would to log into a WhatsApp web. Once the QR code is scanned, OpenClaw will ask for your personal WhatsApp number. This is a crucial security step so the AI knows only to reply to you and ignore anyone else. Just type your phone number in and hit enter. The setup will finish installing the background service and drop you into a live chat right there in your terminal. The AI will wake up and ask you what its name is and what vibe it should be. I'm going to tell it my name is Chris and its job is to be politeful and helpful and funny. Now let's test the connection by sending a message to our phone. Open a new terminal window and type the OpenClaw message send command with your phone number. But wait, you'll probably get a red error saying pairing required. This is fine and it's the roadblock that most people get stuck on. It is not broken, it's just OpenClaw protecting your account from unauthorized access. To fix this, simply type OpenClaw devices list to see the block connection, and then type OpenClaw devices approved -- latest. This will let it through. Finally, type OpenClaw channels login to lock in the WhatsApp connection. And now, your agent is officially live on your phone. Now back in the terminal, hit enter to send the test message to yourself. You will now see a green confirmation pop up showing the message went through. Open your WhatsApp and check your personal chat. There is the message from your computer. Your AI is now officially awake and ready to work. So let's give it a real test to prove it can actually read our computer files. I will text it right here and ask, how many photos do I have in my downloads folder? Within seconds, it replies, telling me that I have over 1,000 photos sitting in there, and it even offers to sort them for me. Next, I will ask it how much storage space I have left on my system. It immediately scans my hard drive and warns me that my C drive is low on space. But here is the best part. It doesn't just give me the data, it actually gives me a bulleted list of ways to fix it right from the chat, offering to check for large folders, find temporary files to delete, or run a disk cleanup tool. All of this is happening right on my phone while my computer sits in the other room with an AI agent ready to go. And just like that, your WhatsApp is linked to OpenClaw. You can now text your own number to search the web or read your files. But right now, your bot only works while your computer is awake and running. If you want to set it up so it runs 24/7 even when your laptop is closed, you need to move it to a VPS. Watch this next video of mine to see how to use Hostinger to host your VPS so your bot never sleeps. Subscribe for more helpful AI tips and I'll see you in the next one.